When I first started carrying a gun with part of the grip or the entire grip below my waistband, I didn't have any terminology for what I was doing or any best practices for how to do it safely. And what Rhett's class has really done is it's taken all the fundamentals of safety with concealed carrying in the deep carry position, and it's made it into an experience where you can actually test out these theories and see what works best for you. And I think that's been the most rewarding part of this class, is that I've gotten to try different grip techniques, different ride heights for my pants, different types of ties with my drawstrings, just to figure out what actually works best for me and the types of clothes that I usually deep carry in. I like using the Enigma for deep carry because it actually allows the gun and the holster to be completely divorced from my waistband. If I was using a regular belt and holster system, the whole entire thing would be stuck to whatever position I chose to align it with on my belt line. And that just doesn't feel safe. It doesn't feel consistent to me to be able to get a good grip on the gun. But with the Enigma, since it can be completely divorced from the clothes, I can pull the pants out away from the grip consistently every time and not have to worry about accidentally grabbing some garment because the holster is attached to the garment. With the Enigma, holster is not attached to the garment, so there's no problems there.